Hello guys. Today I actually received my 3D printer. Actually, this is my first 3D printer. I bought this CREALITY CR-10-V2 from eBay, and I just wanted to make this video and give my experience with this 3D printer as an absolute beginner to 3D printing, and what I can say about this 3D printer and its print quality. So far it's really good. As you can see, my first print right here, and it turns out to be really nice print, and the every detail, as you can see here, it's really nice. It came out to be really good. I'm really happy with this 3D print, and what I can say, this printer is really worth the money. So I paid around 650 Australian dollars, and I think for that price range this printer is absolute marvel. And I'll be doing more prints and more designs in future, and let's see what I can do with this. And I'll be putting some videos and what my experience and what problems that I might come across, and we can share these experiences. And the reason that I want to post this video is that for anyone who tries to buy a printer, and if they really want to buy the CR10V2, I would recommend this one for anyone. So it's too easy to assemble, and all the tools and necessary parts required are there, and it's way too easy. Only 4 screws, 2 there and 2 there, and after that I just have to connect these 2 rods, and that's it. And it's way too easy to assemble, and only hiccup is if you're going to manually level the bed, it'll take some time. And unfortunately, when I first tried, I scratched the this bed here, but it wasn't a big deal. But finally I could level it, and I did this really nice 3D print, and let's see what we can do in the future. Thank you for watching.